Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Blurry on the application of Royal Match. Here we go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about the application of a Royal Match and you will click here. In this page you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe. See you next time.